carrying a brick-sized pistol every day? In 2025, compact doesn't mean compromise. These handguns are slim, powerful, and built to disappear under your shirt, without sacrificing capacity or performance. If you're serious about everyday carry, this list might just change your setup. Number 10. Smith Wesson CSX E-Series. Introducing the new Smith Wesson CSX E-Series, the next evolution in the CSX line. It boasts an enhanced E-Series trigger with a clean break and reset, extensive grip texture coverage, and a modular grip adapter that converts from micro-compact to compact frame size. This optic-ready pistol is chambered in 9mm with 12, 15, or 17-round capacity options, magazines and adapters included, making it the advanced evolution of a classic platform, perfect for those who demand more from their concealed carry. With a 3.1-inch barrel and weighing only 19.7 ounces, the CSX E-Series is designed to be incredibly easy to carry while still delivering solid firepower. The modular grip adapter lets you take your CSX and size to meet your needs. Size down for ultimate concealment, or size up for better handling when shooting. Newly enhanced E-Series trigger that has a light, clean break and an improved reset. The straighter pull to the rear aids in accuracy when firing. Modified RMSC/507K optic footprint that features our clear sight trademark cut, designed to strategically divert gases away from your optic lens when firing. Price: $699, making it an affordable yet high-performing option for those serious about self-defense. Number 9. Bull's Axe. Meet the Bull Armory Axe, a modern striker-fired 9mm pistol built for EDC, tactical use, and serious range performance. At first glance, it's got that Glock 19 size, but with serious upgrades. The Axe sports a 4.02-inch barrel, and thanks to its modular polymer frame with enhanced ergonomics, it feels great in the hand and stays flat during rapid fire. It comes standard with a 15+1 magazine capacity with compatibility for Glock pattern mags, so you'll never be short on options. The flat-face trigger is crisp and responsive, offering a clean break and short reset. On top, you'll find front and rear slide serrations, an optic-ready cut, and high-visibility iron sights, making it ready for red dots or iron sight-only setups. The grip texture is aggressive without being uncomfortable, giving you control even in slick conditions. Priced around $1,275 to $1,345, the Axe delivers a ton of value, blending Israeli engineering with modern defensive needs. Whether it's for carry, duty, or range time, the Bull Axe is ready for whatever you throw at it. Number 8. The new Sig P320 MOD. Meet the ultimate crossover pistol, a combination of premium features from Sig Sauer's legendary competition models with the functionality and reliability of a duty pistol. Designed in collaboration with Max Michel for those who protect, serve, and defend. The P320 MOD comes standard with a slide-integrated compensator, Springer precision magazine catch, removable magwell and grip weight, and Max Michel X Hogue Raptor grip tape. Official sidearm of the Sig Sauer off-duty program. 2-port slide integrated expansion chamber for recoil mitigation. Matte black DLC slide. Finish with Max Michel engraving and enhanced serrations. Flat blade trigger with Springer precision magazine. Catch full-length X-Series polymer grip module with integrated grip weight. And Magwell Hogue heavy grit. Max Michel Edition Raptor. Grip X-ray 3-day night sights 21st or 10th magazines. This firearm is not available with a manual safety. When engaged, is designed to mechanically prevent the firearm from discharging when the trigger is pressed, either intentionally or unintentionally. Number 7. OA Defense 2311 Pro. The OA 2311 Pro is the full-size ported powerhouse of the OA Defense lineup. Designed and optimized for duty use and high round count range days, the OA 2311 Pro delivers maximum performance, accuracy, and reliability, even under the harshest conditions, featuring a cut and contoured slide, ported 5-inch barrel, enhanced trigger, extended mag release paddle, and 5 mags, fully ambidextrous controls, optic-ready slide, lightning-fast cycle time, and a modular grip and magwell make you prepare. This pistol is built for precision with an integrated compensator that reduces muzzle flip and enhances follow-up shot speed. The flat-face trigger offers a smooth, clean break, making it ideal for quick and accurate shooting. With a fully adjustable rear sight and a fiber optic front sight, you'll enjoy a bright, clear sight picture no matter the lighting conditions. The 2311 Pro features a robust aluminum frame and stainless steel slide for durability and lightweight. Priced around $1,800 to $2,000, the OA Defense 2311 Pro brings race-ready performance, exceptional build quality, and customization options to enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 6. FN Reflex XLMRD. The FN Reflex XLMRD is designed for optimized shootability and maximum concealed carry capacity. Designed with a proven internal hammer-fired operation and cold hammer-forged barrel, the FN Reflex XLMRD offers a best-in-class trigger, an easy-to-rack slide, and long-term durability. The FN Reflex XLMRD also comes with an optics-ready slide and ergonomic updates to the grip, which includes interchangeable back straps, a new palm swell, an enhanced trigger guard undercut, and an extended beaver tail. This is the perfect blend of shootability and concealability. Micro-compact pistol chambered in 9mm 3.8-inch, cold hammer-forged, stainless steel barrel with recessed target crown internal hammer, operated with approximately 5 pounds, single-action only trigger optics mount, compatible with the most popular concealed carry red dots. Slimline accessory rail patterned after the Glock 43X MOS rail. Compatible with Surefire XSC and Streamlight TLR7 sub-flashlights. Magazine ships with one 15-round and one 18-round magazines. Cold hammer forged, target crowned for long-term durability and accuracy. Polished chamber and ramp ensure feed for reliability. The FN Reflex XLMRD only is priced around $719, offering advanced features and optics-ready design. Number 5. Smith & Wesson M&P 9 Compact Carry Comp. Continuing to pursue excellence and performance. The new Performance Center, MP9M 2.0. Compact Carry Comp Pistol focuses on enhancing the shooting experience. Strategically designed to leverage the gases escaping the end of the gun during firing, the Carry Comp helps reduce felt recoil, meaning you can stay on target better, all in a compact design. Clear Sight Cut. Our unique design diverts gases away from your optic, letting you maintain an unobstructed view when firing. Carry Comp. Our strategically designed power port diverts gas upwards to reduce felt recoil when firing .4, .2, 2 inches 1 to 10. Twist stainless steel barrel with Armorite finish optic ready flat face trigger with PC trademark tuned action, .18 degree grip angle, blacked out serrated rear sight, night sight front sight. Stainless steel slide ported WWDO Armorite registered trademark finish. 4 interchangeable palmswell grip inserts. Ships with 2 15-round magazines. MSRP is around $799, putting high-end performance within reach. Looking for a compact with competition-level control? The M&P 9 Carry Comp is your new go-to. Number 4. Springfield Armory Echelon 4 OC. Engineered for concealed carry, the Springfield Armory Echelon trademark 4.0C doesn't just shrink the full-size version, it refines it. With a compact 4-inch barrel and streamlined frame, it offers enhanced concealability without compromising on performance. But don't let the smaller size fool you. This compact beast is packed with cutting-edge tech. At the heart of the Echelon 4.0C is the Variable Interface System, a revolutionary setup that allows direct mounting of most of today's popular red dot optics, no adapter plates needed. Paired with tritium U-dot iron sights, It's built for fast, instinctive target acquisition in any lighting condition. Inside, the serialized central operating group gives this pistol a modular foundation, while its capacity, 15+1 with the flush fit mag and up to 18+1 with the extended, means it's more than ready for real-world defense scenarios. And now, the part that really turns heads. Despite its premium features and elite build quality, the Echelon 4.0C comes in at just around $629. That's right, a red dot-ready, modular, optics-cut carry pistol with serious capacity and elite ergonomics, all at a price that'll leave you doing a double take. Compact, capable, and combat-ready. The Echelon 4.0C isn't just another carry gun. It's a bold statement in a small package. Number 3. H&K CC9. Engineered with Heckler and Koch's signature precision and rigorous testing, the CC9 is held to the same standards as full-size duty pistols and tested to the NATO Army Armaments Group AC-225 standards. Built to HK's renowned durability standards, the CC9 had over 750,000 rounds fired during development and testing. The CC9 adapts to the user's needs, featuring a modular grip system with interchangeable back straps that allows for personalized customization. With a full grip and the same length of pull as the full-sized VP9, the CC9 stays on target when it matters most. Its advanced trigger system ensures smooth, consistent pulls, while the enhanced recoil management allows for rapid, accurate follow-up shots. The CC9 comes optics-ready, features a high-vis, tritium front sight, and a blacked-out, serrated rear sight for quick target acquisition. As the smallest double-stack pistol HK has ever produced, the CC9 sets a new standard for concealed carry firearms. With a width of less than 1 inch and an overall length of just 6.03 inches and chambered in 9mm, the CC9 comes equipped with a 10-round and 12-round magazine for flexibility and concealment, offering unparalleled ease of carry without sacrificing capacity. Number 2. Savage Stance XR. XR Savage Arms just changed the game with the Stance XR and its revolutionary quick-release optics, or QRO, plate. With a 3.2-inch barrel, 10+1 or 12+1 round capacity, and crisp, flat-face trigger, this micro-compact is built for fast, precise shooting. The QRO system uses a dual dovetail rail with a spring-loaded lock, letting you swap optics or return to iron sights in seconds. No tools, no re-zeroing. Prefer a fixed mount? Just add the spacer and screw it down. Sleek, flush, and smartly engineered, it maintains zero and keeps your pistol streamlined. MSRP starts around $479, making it a solid value for EDC and range use. Whether you're defending or competing, the Stance XR with QRO is your optics-ready companion built for speed and reliability. Number 1. Walther PDP Pro F-Series 4. The Walther PDP Pro F-Series 4-inch is a premium, optics-ready pistol built for precision and comfort. Designed with shooters in mind, it combines performance and ergonomics to create an intuitive experience. The 4-inch barrel provides a perfect balance between concealability and accuracy, while the 15-round capacity ensures ample firepower. The F-Series model features a reduced grip circumference, making it ideal for shooters with smaller hands, offering enhanced control and comfort. The Performance Duty Trigger, PDT, provides a crisp and consistent break, while the super-terrain serrations on the slide ensure easy manipulation, requiring 20% less effort for racking compared to standard models. It's optics-ready, allowing for seamless mounting of your favorite red dot sights. The PDP Pro F-Series is built for versatility, with iron sights included for quick target acquisition. At a price point around $492.99 to $599, this pistol delivers premium features and performance at a competitive price, making it an excellent choice for everyday carry, home defense, or range use. Or is there a compact EDC pistol you swear by that we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. We always want to hear from fellow shooters. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS firearms content, and ring that bell so you never miss a drop. Stay sharp, stay safe, and carry smart.